Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through how to export contacts from SendGrid. Whether you're migrating to another platform or just need a backup of your contacts, this process is quick and easy. First, log into your SendGrid dashboard and go to Marketing. Click Contacts. From here, you'll see your contact list. Select the list you want to export, or choose All Contacts if you need the entire list. Click the Export button in the upper right corner, and SendGrid will prepare your contacts for download. You'll receive an email with a download link once the export is ready. Click the link in the email, and you'll be able to download a CSV file of your contacts. This file can be used for analysis, migration, or backup. That's it. You've successfully exported your contacts from SendGrid. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit the like button. If you haven't tried SendGrid, just hit the link in the description and get your free trial today.